Hello everyone, this is Josh, and in this video we're going to look at powerful tools and machines that you've probably never seen before. PPSS body armour. PPSS body armour is a carbon fibre based stab resistant body armour. Perfect for law enforcement and correctional officers, it provides dependable protection from the vast majority of knives, machetes, razor blades, shanks and spikes. Chainsaw pants. Husqvarna has the best chainsaw protective pants for comfort and protection while working with chainsaws at home or on the commercial job site. MAMMUT hydraulic jack. Meet the heavy-duty air hydraulic jack from MAMMUT. It works like a normal jack. Place it at the designated point and simply press the remote control button. This ingenious machine has a lifting capacity of 30 to 150 tons. It comes fitted with an optional remote control for safety, folding handles and pneumatic tyres for easy manoeuvrability. It also has load blocks available for mechanical lock and turns the jack into a jack stand. Savannah Stump puller. This stump puller and rotary rake equipment combination is the most productive method of converting planted forest to stump-free conditions from the group Savannah. When used together, it is possible to convert from post-harvest to windowed stumps at a rate of 20 to 40 acres per day with 2 tractors, 1 stump puller and 1 rotary rake. This machine has 2 lifting wheels mounted so that it rolls over the stumps and pulls the stumps into their midpoint and grabs them with enough force to pull them out of the ground. YHITECHEM. This eco-pure polyurethane system is a fast set, 2-component, 100% solid, flexible coating derived from a reaction of an isocyanate pre-polymer and an amine-terminated resin blend. Its superior physical and mechanical properties provide an extremely durable coating. It has been especially designed to protect concrete, metal, wood, ceramic, geotextile, and PU foam substrates. Since it does not contain any solvent, it is environmentally friendly. The product reacts within seconds, and once cured, leaves a flexible, durable, and tough surface. The material must be applied utilizing proper equipment and at high pressure. Swimming pools and theme parks, roads, floors, and roofs, and the marine industry, among others. Equalizer lifting wedge. The Equalizer VWL lifting wedges are designed to lift up heavy equipment and machinery to do regular maintenance or shim work safely. These models are similar to the Equalizer hydraulic flange spreaders, but with a flat side on bottom to get under and lift heavy equipment. The VLW18TE vertical lifting wedge uses an external hydraulic hose and hand pump, allowing the tool to be operated a short distance away. The wedge allows equipment to be leveled with precision in minutes. By creating 18 tons of lifting force, the Equalizer VWLs can replace multiple workers using pry bars when lifting heavy machinery. KOMPTECH TopTurn. In windrow composting, regular turning is essential for the process to run smoothly. TopTurn X offers an intelligent solution to this. Its drum is specifically designed to enhance the optimum amount of porosity and compost structure to increase temperatures and reduce composting times. The chimney effect reduces odours while producing better quality compost. It properly turns the windrow from inside to out while mixing and blending, leaving the perfect windrow blend. It also comes pre-plumbed, thus infusing water into the centre of the compost pile, reducing water consumption, but putting the water directly where the active composting process is happening. GXT Mobile Shear. Introducing the GXT Mobile Shear, designed to process scrap more efficiently. Its centre of gravity is closer to the excavator, enabling models to mount on excavators that could be carried on smaller, less powerful shears. The GXT features an improved jaw geometry, making it easier to pick up material and reducing wear from ground contact. A reverse-mounted hydraulic cylinder that shortens the shear length and weight protects the rod from damage. Meet the new CAT pulverizer with a 360-degree rotation. Integral rebar knives quickly shear through pipes, rebar, and other embedded materials to improve demolition efficiency. It is built around the reliable speed booster technology found in CAT's multiprocessors. When the jaw comes into contact with material, the speed booster hydraulic valve automatically switches to power mode for maximum power, quickly shattering concrete. YAMAMOTO HRB 1700. This powerful rock splitter is by YAMAMOTO. Designed to excavate hard rock without any vibrations, fly rock, or noise, it is based on the traditional wedge and feather method, but uses hydraulic power to split the rock instead of impact force. Its working principle is based on two counter wedges inserted in a pre-drilled hole. A hydraulic cylinder pushes out a center wedge between the counter wedges to spread them apart, and the rock is forced to crack. Its simple installation method allows it to be moved from carrier to carrier without any major modifications. ENERPAC's ATM tools help correct flange misalignment and allow bolts to be placed into joints. This alignment takes place during pipework construction or maintenance. These tools provide pipe installers and maintenance personnel with some of the simplest, safest, and most productive solutions available for flange alignment in the market today. ENERPAC ATM tools rectify twist and rotational misalignment quickly, safely, and without the need for an external power source. This tool can be installed and used in any position horizontally or vertically. A portable and lightweight design enables easy transport and use. ERGO ROTOLANCE. Check out the Aquajet ERGO that cleans, removes, and roughens concrete for a better bonding surface for new concrete or other materials. A hydraulically driven swivel allows for precision control. It is also equipped with a suspension system, allowing it to follow uneven or curved surfaces such as ship hulls and storage tanks. It uses high-pressure water jets to precisely remove sound and deteriorated or damaged concrete. This method leaves rebar undamaged while protecting and preserving existing concrete. The method leaves a uniformly scarified surface ready to accept new material. Polet. Polet designs some of the most durable farming tools. Check out how these fiberglass shovel handles withstand the weight of a wheel loader. 10 times stronger than wood, these shovels are sure to last forever. Hydropower plants based on a screw are considered small hydro, but don't be fooled by the term small. This technology is used to supply 13 million households with electricity across Europe, which is sparing the environment a burden of 29 million tons of CO2. Many other systems capitulate in lower water levels in hot summers, and also fail to cope with flooding in the winter and spring. Cost effectiveness then drops rapidly. This system works fully automatically and requires very little maintenance, which keeps operating costs low. Its service life is significantly higher compared to other means of generating electricity. Cost effectiveness also means that, considering the investment, maintenance, and annual yield, a corresponding return and a short payback period can be achieved. Gator lift. The Gator battery ladder lift is a compact lift for transportation of a wide range of different materials. Thanks to its state-of-the-art battery technology, this device operates totally wirelessly. Ideal for tilers, roofers, joiners, removal companies, and more, the Gator lift is the ideal transportation tool for all materials that have to be transported upwards quickly and safely. With just one touch of a button, a manual winch transports a wide range of materials via a ladder system to heights of up to 10 meters. This powerful ladder easily sweeps 120 kilos into the air when required. All that exhausting dragging of material up to those top floors is now consigned to the past. Predator 38X. Check out this high-performance, compact stump grinder from Predator. Fitted with the specifications of a large grinder, 54-inch swing, 18-inch cutting depth, 30-inch cutting height, and impressive horsepower, it will fit through a 26-inch wide gateway, making it the narrowest machine available in its class. Check out the ST661 stump attachment for the Stihl MS661 chainsaw. Simply remove the chainsaw bar and attach the ST661. It's perfect for tough to access sites. This attachment is mind-blowing. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the TechFreeze for more.